So when we're dividing this polynomial by the monomial, single term, 3x, the way that we handle it is we go through and we divide each and every term by that 3x. Now you might also see this problem written like this. It means exactly the same thing. Just going to do it over to the side. Okay, these are the same problem. Okay? Either putting it all over 3x or dividing by 3x. It's the exact same problem. You've got to divide each and every term by that 3x. So we divide coefficients. 9 divided by 3 is 3. What's the rule for exponents when we're dividing? Subtract. Yep. Okay, so we've got x cubed divided by x, so the x has an exponent of 1, so 3 minus 1 is 2. So we've got 3x squared. Bring down the signs. Okay, negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. X squared over x, subtract those exponents, that leaves you with x to the first. We just don't write a power of 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. X over x, a lot of people will say that those cancel. Yes, technically they cancel. Excuse me, they cancel because x divided by x is 1, just like 8 divided by 8 is 1. Okay. The last term there, 7 divided by 3, 7 is not evenly divisible by 3, and that does not reduce. So we just leave it as 7 over 3. And then there's not another variable there to simplify anything, so we leave the x where it was at because there's nothing else to simplify it with. That is our final answer there. And that is all you have to do for that dividing problem. Any questions from that? Okay. Let's do a couple more just to make sure that we understand the concept. So the next example, we are dividing by 4x squared. Negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4. X to the 4th over x squared, subtract those exponents. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Normally we don't write that 1, but we need to here because the x squared, so we've got x squared over x squared, so that goes away, but we've got to have that plus 1 there to represent the fact that we divided 4x squared by 4x squared. Okay, it's not equal to 0. If you don't put anything there, you're saying that it's equal to 0. 5 divided by 4, it does not reduce. 5 over 4, not evenly divisible, and it doesn't reduce. X over x squared, you subtract the exponents and put it where the exponent was bigger. So 2 minus 1 is 1, but it was bigger in the denominator, so the x goes in the denominator. 18 over 4 does not divide evenly, but it does reduce. They're both divisible by 2, so if you can do that in your head, do it. If not, in your calculator, put 18 over 4, math, enter, and it will reduce that fraction for you. 9 over 2. We didn't have any other variables, so the x squared stays where it's at. There's the final answer there. Okay, one more here. We're dividing by 9r. So we're dividing each and every term by 9r. 36 divided by 9 is 4. R to the 4th divided by r is r cubed. 45 divided by 9 is 5. R cubed divided by r is r squared. And 36 divided by 9 is 4. R squared divided by r is r. This time we didn't have any fractions. And we had fractions in 2 of our other answers there, but this one, everything divided evenly, so no fractions.